Welcome, welcome, welcome. Just about time for the New York Open. Well, we still have plenty of time. So, yeah. Plenty of time. Let's see what's going on. ES made a London high and NQ made a higher high. This is like a sort of like a bearish SMT situation as far as I can tell. So let's see. This will be a buy side liquidity, I'm thinking. All right, it's a buy side. Let's hope for the best. And we do have some news. We have the flash manufacturing PMI and existing home sales. So we still have some time. And I think this one is just going to range until then. All right, all right, all right. Okay. So we should just wait just a little bit. Trade Oracle, hey there, welcome. Where's the applause? Right here. How's it going, Trade Oracle? Any trades? Any opportunities? It seems like we have a bearish SMT on NQ. You told me about prop firm and now I don't have money for myself. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you know. Come on. Yeah, well, you know, everybody has their personal issues, I think. Yeah, so everybody has issues, it seems like it. Well, well, I actually like this. All right. All right. That was good. That was good. Oh, man. You know, prop firm space is causing problem for everyone. Oh, man. Oh, man. It was good. So, what's going to happen now? Oh, it feels like ES can go all the way down with this bearish SMT, but okay, I can't concentrate. Let's see. The only thing I'm looking for is shorts. I mean, short trades. Hopefully we'll get something absolute premium PD array. It would be awesome to see this one tanking down at least at the midnight level. So let's hope it does. Oh, hold on. I forgot to start my Discord. All right, all right, all right. What do we have? Okay. So market is about to open in less than 20 minutes. And I feel like we could have some short opportunities. Maybe. Hopefully. Hopefully. Let's see. 632. 620. I like these levels. 632. Well, of course, this one can still go higher. I think it will all depend on ES. Again. Why is this chart look so gapped out? Is there not enough volume? What's going on? I think there's not enough volume. Right? That should be the case. What else do we have? We have the daily midnight open. Previous day high was here. Okay, sell side liquidity down there below the 600s and 584. Asia lows down here, and we have the FOMC news here. So anything can happen. Anything can happen. I would be really glad if we would see a nice collapse, at least back to previous day, New York lows or whatever, just to take out all this. I mean, supposedly to go back to, let me show you, supposedly go back to before FOMC minutes down there to 200s. Yeah, somewhere around the 200s should be okay. We have beautiful sell side at 234 down there. We were fighting for these levels yesterday. It didn't came through. So now it would be awesome to see that, you know, dipping down all the way. We have the consequent encroachment on the 4-hour. So we are good to go all the way down to the 400s, I think. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. That's not the historical high. Hold on. We did not break the historical high. Oh my god, I almost totally forgot that. Hello Erkan, how you doing? I totally forgot that we still have all-time historical high up there. 18,691. So there's no bearish SMT then. Well, maybe a little bit. There is, sorry, there is. So yeah, that's interesting. So how far is that? It's like 50 points. Was that yesterday? Let me check it. It was yesterday, right? No. No, it was not. The high was at March 8th. It was still back in the old contract, but it was up here. So we have a higher high. So this is still not the historical high. All right. All right then. All right then. But look at this. What is this? If you check your chart on the 8th of March, We have a high of 691.25 on the new contract. So I suppose on the old contract there should have been a high here, like a similar high. I don't know the number of it right now, but you know, this is the historical high from the 8th of March, and we did not go there yet. We didn't. 691. So I just changed my whole perspective has changed. Now I think we should spike that and then go down. I would be careful to short now that I know that. Okay, market open will tell us, I guess. Damn, I think I got the cold. So yeah, I have to wait a little bit. Just a little bit. Listening to some good music. Yeah, it's going higher. I'm telling you guys, it's just gonna go and take out the 691. I totally changed my bias here. I totally forgot that this is the historical high, 691. That is the high. The only problem is that we're gonna have market open in 13 minutes. So that's gonna mess up some things. Let me know what you guys think. I need to grab some tissue. Paper tissue. Is that the word? No, that's not. How do they say? Hold on. Tissue paper. All right. That's what I wanted to say. I think I got a cold. Just a second, I'll be right back. All right. Well, still about 10 minutes. Let's wait patiently. With patience. Gotta have patience. So. Ba-bum, 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 bum. Ba-bum, bum, 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 bum. I'm listening to some good old trance music right now. Bum, 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 bum. Let's see. Buy side intact. By the way, I noticed that it's very popular to trade with trend lines nowadays. So how does that work? You draw a trend line, and that's it. You need like, I mean, this is okay. Okay. Okay, at this point it got to a support and goes up. I guess you have the same probabilities to win a trade with trend lines, right? Back in the days I tried trend line trading. Actually in 2010 I tried with trend lines. Didn't work out well. There's a guy called Bob Iacchino. I was attending to his private mentorship. It was like 14 years ago. Let me search. He was a reporter for, not reporter, but he was working on Wall Street, and then he was working for CNN, I think, or BBC. I don't know. Bob Iacchino. Yeah, he's the guy. Yeah, so I took his private mentorship. It was 14 years ago. And what is doing nowadays? Haven't heard of him. Okay, so Bob Iacchino got his start in 1993, a phone clerk at CME floor. He appears various media outlets, including CNBC. Okay. Yeah. Hey there, Black Beauty Machine. How you doing? Okay. Does that mean okay? Who cares? Something like that. All right. So I totally forgot. I missed this detail that the historical buy side is at 691. Hi, beautiful. Joy says. Thank you. I am beautiful. I got the cold, I think. I'm a little. I have paper tissue all over around me, and yeah. I'm sneezing all day. Wink, wink. Alright. Wink, wink to you guys as well. Welcome, everyone. But you know, the good thing is if I catch a cold, then that helps me to get my attractive voice come forward, you know, like, welcome. No, I need air, like, welcome. No, let's do welcome to the show. No. In a world where traders trade with silly prop firms because they don't have any money, comes a man for the savior, scorching the whole prop firms industry. You know, it reminds me of that movie, Tropic Thunder. I love that movie. The movie intros, you know, the start of that film. I mean, I love that. What was that Ben Stiller sketch they did. Scorcher 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Anyway, that was great. And the thing that Tom Cruise did in that movie, that was just awesome. So, all-time high, not too far. It's actually like less than 30 points away. I think Nasdaq will go for it. Totally change my bias here. If you guys want to scalp it, we have a high chance. Oh, look at that, it's already going for it. So we have a high chance that I think we're going to pierce that. Look at it, it's already going. And it's like super close. Super close. Yeah, it's actually very close. I think the 91 will be tapped here, but just be careful. It can turn around quite easily. It's gonna go for it, I think. Oh, it's going. Okay, 10 more points. It's gonna do it before market open. Yeah, there you go. History is being made right now, boys. All right. 6 points. 6 points. Almost there. Look at that. Well, let's get it, you know. I mean, 91 is so close. Like, super close. So who knows? Maybe we will get it. I don't know. Then major dump. Yeah, I mean, absolutely. I mean, it will fail to go through 91. Maybe it can also fail right here and then just dump like crazy. So that can happen, actually. Dun, 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 dun. Mm-hmm. All right. Let's see if they want to put it through there. 91, almost done. 91. We're like less than 2 minutes away from market open. Are we going to get it? Is the big question. I think it should be okay. But if it fails, then we are going to look for some juicy sells down there. Go Joe GVN. I'm gonna call you Joe GVN. Welcome. Hey there. Welcome to the stream. In 3 minutes, new all-time high. There you go. It just happened. New all-time high. We made history. Welcome everyone to the stream. We just made history. Let's hear a big round applause. Historical moment. Only the Enterprise and the Voyager satellite, or what is this? Pod. Is it like a pod, or what do they call this? Space pod. Only the Voyager was in this kind of distance before this. New history has been just made, guys. History has been made just now. This is perfect. Do I have any orders open, by the way? Okay, I have nothing open. Just wanted to check like everything is fine. So history has been just made. All right. Oh, I forgot the market open bell. Anyway, market is open for business since 10 seconds ago, but I guess it's better for everyone, right? So the market is open for business. Let me open a chart for you guys, and that's how we're looking. We've taken the historical high of 691.25. So let me put this here. 691.25. This was the historical high. Left ray. So I wonder if we're gonna have some sell opportunities. ES also spiked higher, and now it can be maybe, just maybe, a good opportunity to look for shorts. I mean, look at this. Look at this huge spike on ES from 13 all the way up there to 300. Now it might be turning around. No sign of turnaround with NQ, that's for sure. So, but this move was quite okay. I guess we just have to wait. I mean, really, above here, this level, there's nothing, absolutely nothing up here. Really nothing. Nothing. The only thing I could look for is some sell side down there. But up there, it's over. It's nothing. Let me know anytime if you have any trading plan. We have relative equal lows at 47. We're gonna have news. The flash services PMI is gonna kick in soon, in about 13 minutes. What a move here. What a move here. Guys, help me out and push the like button. Let's push this stream, push this channel, and you can join the members list. Some good stuff is coming around. It's not OnlyFans, but it's gonna be good. Anyway, let's see, what do we have here? Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Are we going to have some kind of a structure shift? The sell side is looking so good right now, but without any confirmation, that's a big no-no. All right. All right, all right, all right. Let's see. Do I have anything here? So no structure shift, no nothing. At this point, there's pretty much no setup to follow. I mean, there's no structure here. We have relative equal lows here. This is most likely going to get taken. right there. It's like 10 points, 12 points. If you're super aggressive, you can short it, but I don't really like that. If I zoom out on the 1 minute, I'd say we have some sell side, particularly from yesterday, but that would be kind of a drop. So I'd like to see structure forming here, and then boom, shifting with a fair value gap, and boom, go down again. That's what I would be looking for. I just need the structure. That's all I need. I need a structure. News in 10 minutes. Exactly. Question is, are they going to push it or not? But yeah, we have some news. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Oh guys, I have to run to the bathroom. I'll be back in 2 to 5 minutes. I'm sorry. Okay, we're here. Don't worry, I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. So news is about to hit the news fan, if there's such a thing. And let's see. Technically, we had a structure shift here, but of course, we're not doing anything because we have news. So we just have to wait at least, well, yeah, we have to wait 1 minute and 35 seconds ish. Yeah, from now on. So market structure shift here, which is a good thing. It's actually a beautiful bearish market structure shift, but because of the news, we cannot enter just right now. Bearish shift right here. We have a fair value gap here. I mean, it looks good. I just don't know if we should take it or not. That's the only thing. Should we take it or not? News in 45 minutes. Minutes? Come on, man. Seconds. I have a headache. That's why I'm drinking a lot of water. And I already took a pill. All right. All right. Okay. News is out in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay. What do we have? Can we go with 1 micro up there? Not sure. We can. Just don't know if we want to or not. Copy trading. Maybe. Don't know. Don't know. Should we take this? Okay, I'm taking this with 1 micro. We'll see. If it pops higher, then so be it. It's only with 1 micro, so the stop should be right there. And take profit should be somewhere down there. Okay. We definitely have sell side. Yeah, it's still popping a little bit. Having trouble. Relative equal lows at this area. Stop is above the high. 1 to 2 risk to reward should be somewhere at the 16s, which is a good target. So this is the trade. And yeah, I'm gonna go there with the TP. And that's it for now. If it takes out this relative equal low, that would be interesting. Maybe I would put it to break even, which I usually don't do. So until then, I'm just gonna wait. Okay, I just took it off. Then the reason I took it off is because there is another news coming out, and I have a terrible headache. But I'm gonna stay here. I don't care if I FOMO this one because I scalped at the open with the BULENOX account, and I'm perfectly okay with that. Okay. Man, I feel awful today. Alright. Final TP should be down there. Maybe I shouldn't have taken this off so early. Maybe. Just maybe. At least I'm gonna follow this trade through with the analysis and try to figure out if, I mean, at this point, if you were still in it, you could put it to break even or take partials at these relative equal lows. If I check ES took the lows, so NQ can just bounce higher again, but I don't think it will. It should go down, complete this move down to the 16s. So that's a good way to go. I think it will go. This was a very, very classic move right here. Market should be taking these midnight levels down there. Oh, look at that. It's bouncing again. It's just bouncing again. Right up there. Right up there. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let us go. Dum 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 dum. Still going. Should be dumping through. Daily midnight open is right down there below the 600. So that would be great to see it go down, but yeah. ES also has some good targets to short. Otherwise, you can make a new high here. What's the news? Existing home sales is coming out soon. After that, we should be seeing a direction. News in 9 minutes. Yeah, that's true, Joey. That's true. The home sales should be giving a direction, a clean direction. I mean, although it's been taken as medium impact news, but I think I think that news is quite important. I'm your personal sidekick. Great. I like that, Joey. I like that. Pum 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 pum. And by the way, I just got an email that I have received $500 worth of Bitcoin. That is so good. I just have to call customer care at a 1-870 number, and they're going to help me how to get that Bitcoin into my own wallet. So I'm very happy about that. This is getting to be a great day. Okay, it's gonna go 16 is the target. Should be taking out that level. Yeah. Yeah. Some very, very, very desperate people trying to go with this. Where is it anyway? Oh, there you go. They sent me a GIF. They sent me a GIF message. How can I show this to you guys? I can show this. I just received this like 18 minutes ago. Look at it's a GIF. So they are sent. PayPal is sending GIFs now. So PayPal sent me like, dear user, thank you for your order. Payment is done through your account. Units. Again, let that sink in. Units allocated in some time. Your order details at Coinbase exchange below. Seller name, Coinbase exchange, blah, blah, blah. Payment method, blah, blah, blah. $449.99. It may take a few moments for this transaction to appear. I just have to call them and they're going to help me out with the transaction. So I'm very glad. Customer care at 1-870-639-9220. They're going to help me out how to get this money. And I mean, it seems like that the same email just arrived to quite a few other people. So I hope that I will be the first one and they're not going to. I mean, it seems like that they got the same invoice number, I think. So I don't want any misunderstanding with these people because I like to get this Bitcoin. So hopefully it will be okay. Yeah. Do we have this? I have a Discord. Gonna be honest, I promised a lot content for Discord, and yet it's not a free Discord. It's $10 per month, but I'm thinking to make some changes in the future, and I'm gonna be adding I mean, we have some entry models, setups in Discord, and trade entries. The signal I want to do. I mean, there's already a signal room, but I had to stop it since like 2 or 3 weeks ago because the signals didn't go through from MetaTrader. But anyway, yes, we have. But I'm gonna try to do a free section too, and I'm gonna add real value to the paid membership because we have a few paid members, not too many. But $10 basically for a month is not a big deal. But that supports the channel because right now I don't have any payout, so I'm trying to stream here. Anyway, it's a long story. So yeah, that's the thing. But first, transfer a small fee. Yeah, they might ask to first. I have to transfer just a test that it works. Like, do you have a video on trade copier setup? Not yet, but if you give me time until tomorrow, I can actually I can actually do one because I already promised it last time. So after the stream, I can make a video about that if that's okay with you, because a few people already asked. So I'm gonna do that after the stream, and I'm gonna upload it to the channel. I'm copy trading with Quantower, so it's gonna be like a few minutes to show you how it works. But actually, you have to subscribe to Quantower service to do that. It's like $25 a month. Lovely. Looking for one with trading. Oh yeah. TradingView plus Apex. Well, TradingView with Apex is working, and you can copy trade with TradingView. I mean, sorry, you can with TradeAwait. You have to use TradeAwait, but you can only copy trade between the Apex accounts, which is, of course, if it's fine for you, then it's great. But I'm copy trading between multiple prop firms. I'm copy trading My Founded Futures, TOPSTEP, Apex, and BULENOX, 4 different prop firms, evaluation accounts, and funded accounts too. So I need Quantower to do that. If you use only TradeAwait, you can only copy trade at the same platform. I mean, the same prop firm or brokerage. Of course, Apex lets you to copy trade. I mean, you can have 20 funded accounts at once, so that's a good thing, I guess. So you can go with TradeAwait, but yes, you have to go with TradeAwait, aka TradingView connection. Yeah, I'm using TradingView Apex and looking for a copier on TradingView. TradingView trade copier is, I mean, I don't know if there is such a thing on TradingView because you have only one connection. So I think the only thing you can do is you have to log into your TradeAwait account, and on TradeAwait you can do that. I did that, but still you have to open your TradeAwait platform, and you can put on the parent account can be connected through TradingView, and you put on the trade, and the TradeAwait platform is going to copy trade it. Yeah. So, by the way, it's of course it's personal preference. I don't really like TradingView for trading because it's lagging. I think there is a lag, significant lag in milliseconds, especially if you're entering with a market order. If you're entering with limit orders, it's okay, but otherwise for market execution, I think there's a lag with TradingView. So that's why I don't even like really the platform. I mean, this is not too much user friendly for me. But it's personal preference, of course. If you like TradingView, then stick with it. Whatever, you know, gives you more confidence and more comfortability. Is that a word? Makes you more comfortable. That's the one you should go with. TradeAwait managed groups don't help copying. Oh, well, then it's a little bit difficult because on TradingView I don't know how you can do that. Unfortunately, I copy trade with NinjaTrader, Quantower. I know how to do that, but other than letting you know how to do that with TradeAwait, I don't know if it's solely possible on TradingView. I don't think it is. I don't think it is. So maybe I'm not able to help you, but I wish I could. Anyway, numbers are out, so let's see the numbers. Existing, okay, that's a good number. Existing home sales, that's a good number. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, so this is a very good number. That can be bullish for both ES and NQ. And yeah, it goes up. It just started to go up right now. Let's see how it does. Okay. This trade is still valid, by the way. Down to 616. This one can still go for that sell side. So despite the news, this one can still go. Let's see what it does. Are we gonna see some lower prices maybe? Who knows, right? It's still going higher. Still going higher. Can this one go for one more higher high? I think it can. I mean, look at this. Kind of a shaky situation. Took that out. Now makes one more high and then goes down. It's really hard to tell at this point. But I do think that eventually it should go down and revisit some lows down there. It looks very significant. You have some beautiful sell side down there. So, I don't know. I don't know. Pretty much stuck in this range again. But it looks bearish. It should be tanking down. Just go and tank. Taking out these lows. Let's look at the daily candle. Yeah. This one can easily go down. I like how it looks like. Spiked up. But the bulls are running out of steam right now. So it's time for a pullback, at least a huge pullback. And yeah. Can go all the way down. That would be nice to see. What about you guys? Any trades going on? Pum 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 pum. Maybe we still have something here, but it's hard to tell. Do I want to jump into something? Let me check. Maybe to a scalp here. Yeah, let's do a scalp trade. Original target was down. Yeah, let's do a scalp trade. Why not? Why not do a scalp trade? Just down to... I'm gonna go and put a limit down to maybe to the 16. If it goes against me, I'm gonna put a stop loss here, but this is a hard stop. It's not my final stop. I'm just putting up there in case it would blow up, but this was based on this earlier analysis to scalp it down to the lows. Trading Bitcoin futures. Nice. How is Bitcoin doing so far? It's a little bit down from the highs, but it's still okay, I guess. Okay, it's shooting up. Are we gonna make a new high? I wonder. ES wants to go higher. So this one's gonna take me out. This is closing in 46 seconds. Took out some lows here. You know what? I might close it. Yeah, I just closed it. So if this one goes higher, let me delete this one, then we might be on to making a new high here. We popped into the 700s. Interesting. Actually, you know what? This was an entry right there. All right. I should be okay. Hey Fendi, how you doing? Good to see you. Good to see you there. How are you? I'm looking for that 16 level again. Hope for the best. How's everybody doing? I was right yesterday, huh? Yeah. Absolutely. By the way, if anybody traded yesterday, FOMC, congratulations. That was a real risky. Oh no. If you guys can hear the music, that means YouTube can hear it and they're gonna flag me. How is trading so far for everyone? What are you up to, Fendi? Any trades? Or any ideas? Let me know. I'm looking for this to go down. Actually, I want to take partials. If it goes down, I'm gonna take partials there. But if it goes up, ES is going up. What is going on here, people? What is going on here? I like this fair value gap here. I liked how price just took it. I wanted to see it drop. At least to take out some sell side down there, but no, it's not doing it. Nothing yet. Yeah. We are just ranging. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Pretty much just ranging. Where would be my final TP? Final TP would be somewhere at 85, down at 93 maybe. So I'm gonna put a buy limit at, let's go with 95. Okay. That's what we're looking for. Some action. I know you guys like action. So let's try to peel off some contracts at 626. And I'm going to put this here. And hope for the best. But if it still wants to go higher and I'm watching the ES, then well, that's gonna mean some trouble. We have a small imbalanced price at 53.12, but we have very good targets on the downside, man. Oh, look at this sell side at 52.93, looking so good. It's a shame that NQ follows this, otherwise it would be okay. Come on. Let's see this go. And if I can ask you guys, please push the like button. Help the stream out with the like. It's free. It's free to do. Thank you so much. And check the discounts. There is still a very good sale going on with Apex, and also my funded futures upgraded the code to 30% from starters. Go check that out too. And not just from the starter account, 30% off from activation fee if you use my code, and from resets too if you need it. Just make sure you click on my link for the code to work anyway. So it's good for resets, it's good for activation fee too. Only on starters. On expert account, it can still give you a 20% discount on reset. And if you buy a new one, it's 5%. So my funded future is really doing it. Anyway, that's a good one. TOPSTEP gives you an additional 20% discount from the actual price if you use my link. That was the commercial, and you can check the rest of it. All right. Let's see this one tank. Bias down, but 690 is where I will be looking to see what happens. 690. Oh yeah. Yeah. You know, if we get back to 690, I think we are going to make a new high above this high at 708. If we get back up there, we're gonna continue higher. That's like 100% sure. So yeah, if we take out this high, the high is, what's the high? 689.50 is gonna go higher. It's gonna take out the previous high, I'm afraid so. Which means that I have no target to buy side up there. That's why I'm only looking for shorts at this moment. It would be awesome to see a nice drop, and then we would be having more targets to go long. But yeah. But as you, yeah, it seems like it really wants to go up there. How is ES doing? ES also wants to go up there. Take out 53.21. So anyhow, let's get there first. It shifted right now, so we have a small shift here. A minor shift, as I used to say. We have a minor structure shift. It can go higher. This is actually a bearish order block, so if this is not strong enough to hold, I guess we're just gonna go higher and take out the previous high. Very interesting though. So this gap, if I extend it here, look at this. If we're gonna close above this gap, chances are high we're gonna go to 690 anyways. So who knows? Who knows? Yeah, look at that. Not good for me. Not good for me. I think we're gonna go higher. What is ES doing? Yeah, ES is making new highs. Look at that. It's gonna go higher. Yeah. Feels like it. Okay. So holding. Oh yeah, I can put that order in. And it's going higher. Not good. We trade similar, yeah. Yeah, me too. I mean, this trade is has a very low probability that it will drop down. So actually, I think I'm gonna close this before it's bursting through that high. Yeah. So I'm gonna close this trade, I think. Actually, you know what? I'm not. I'm gonna leave it as it is. But I think it's gonna take out that high. What a crazy price action, right? Oh my god, it's gonna take me out. This is almost like algorithmic or something. There's no stopping. Here, it's gonna take, yeah, almost a double top on ES. So I'm just gonna close this trade. There, I closed it. I just had to. ES is pretty much putting those highs in. So now we're coming back there. Overall, I'm in the green, by the way, guys. So if you're curious, you can watch the daily recap. I'm going to show you all my accounts. I'm in the green. Trading with micros here. So ES wants to go higher. Yeah, I mean, I can show you right now. I mean, I haven't really copy traded everything, but today I disabled the copy trader for a little bit. I have 3 accounts since last week to show you guys. And for example, this is the My Funded Futures account. Today only up about $50. This BULENOX account is only up also about 50 something dollars. Not a big deal. I traded more on this one. It's up about $360 ish. So overall, I'm up about 450 across these accounts that I'm sharing with you guys on YouTube, and trying to go for that. So these 2 accounts are pretty close to being funded, and trying to put the My Funded Futures account there as well, but it's a little behind. But yeah, look at this. Just as soon as I exited here, it goes down again. But I think ES wants to go with a new high. So that means NQ can try that too. Interesting. Oh yeah, it came close to 690. That's for sure. It was like 3 points away or something, 2 points. It can pop it, I think. If not, well, I don't know. I would be actually surprised. Let me check the 5 minute. Let me check the 5 minute here. Okay, 18,590-ish. Interesting. We have a lot of good sell side liquidity down there. The problem is, let me delete this. We have this liquidity void. Let me show you which one I'm thinking about. I'm gonna delete this. Well, not liquidity void, but unbalanced price range from here. So this means that I would like to see a candle, an up close candle on this gap, and then it could be dropping. So the plan to go higher than 690 is actually not a bad idea. We go higher than 690, and then we look for a dump all the way down. This is the 5 minute chart, by the way. So if I switch to the 1 minute here, I do see a structure forming up here, which is a good thing, I guess. We're still hovering in this 5 minute fair value gap. I really wanted to see it close above this gap at the end of the 5 minute candle. So we still have 2 minutes and 10 seconds for it to do that. And then if it closes above, then it means that this price range has been rebalanced. And if they want to drop it, or price wants to drop, we have a clear path to do so all the way down. Now this level, this swing low here, is actually sell side liquidity right there. But it would be much better if we would have an up close candle in the next 1 minute and 30 seconds. That would be much better. Now it's shifting down. It's good, but it's not really the one I wanted to see. I really wanted to see this to rebalance it completely. If it closes below this minor swing low, then yeah. But it seems like it's not going to close below that, which means it can finally... Okay, so now this candle has to close above that gap. And it's not. It's not doing that. Now that's gonna be a little difficult, because if we have only these wicks and this gap, then this price range is gonna be left unbalanced, and that can cause price to gravitate again once more to this price. So if you take a short, that might not be the smartest idea. I'm not taking a short because this is not a real structure shift here for me with the wick. I don't care about the wick is no good, and this candle is not good anymore because the wick already did the job. So it's not good. I wanted to see a down close candle with the body of the candle. It's just not cutting it for me. So maybe it sweeps liquidity, tries to come back up, but now we have to wait 5 more minutes for this to rebalance this 5-minute gap. So 5 more minutes for that. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. Sell side has been taken. What a drop. 25. It just dropped like 30 points like in 1 second or 2 seconds. Interesting. ES also dropped without breaking for a new high, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Okay. Now, if we're going back to the midnight opening range, that's good. Wow, look at this. Something is finally moving here. This will be the midnight range down at 600. This candle closes here. Interesting. Sell side has been taken here. Could be quite dangerous, especially if ES wants to move back up there. The original trade that I took would have been still in play, by the way, that original short. That would be still in play. All right, so the thing is that you guys can hear my earplugs. I don't know how, because it's low volume. Okay. 32. We have a sell side at 620, but this has not been repriced. Maybe if I hide it better. There. Okay. Now it repriced that gap, so I wonder if we're gonna go back. Is it going to be enough for it to drop to 20, for example? Let's see. Do we have a trend here? Not really, right? I mean, if I would have entered here, according to this, yeah, that would be a stop. Okay, we're back to almost the optimal trade entry level on this spike down. The swing high is here, and again, yeah, this was the 50% level. So that was, for me, it's an optimal trade entry level to go short. Again, if we believe that this is the drawn liquidity is still down there at the midnight level and sweeping the Asia lows, it can be the case. I don't know. You should be the judge. All right, so it was hovering around that 50% level of this recent swing that pushed price down, and what I would expect is so price can just go down there and take that Asia lows below the midnight level. So far it's going. Let's go. Come on. Let me see something here. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. It's hard to tell. It depends on where should be the drawn liquidity. Where do you anticipate price to go? I'm anticipating price should revisit those levels. It was pretty much hovering all day in premium, so I'd like price to return to discount and take out some liquidity down there. So we've pretty much done everything up there. So yeah. If this can go down and take, for example, the 20 level, that would be a clear indication that we might be heading down. Or not. Look at this. It's pretty much held it here. Long wicks, yeah, that's kind of disturbing. We have those long wicks. So, oh, what is this? Okay, now it goes again. Is it going to take it? Who knows? Okay. Oh, you guys didn't see that. All right, sorry. I'm in a trade, by the way. Totally forgot that to tell you guys. Stop is above there. And my final TP is somewhere at 91, maybe. I'll be okay with 95. So I am going to go with taking off. This has been taken. I'm taking off 3 at 613. So 613, and I'm going to be taking the rest off at 95.25. That would be my ideal strategy if this would go down. And maybe I'm going to move my stop just a little bit. Actually, I might not move it at all. Just gonna leave it. Oh man, it's going up. It's going up again. That's your entry. 623. All right. 623. Yeah, I like this movement, but I don't like these long wicks. I mean, let me check trading view. So trading view gives me a bigger possibility to zoom this one out. Very good sell side. Z down there. I don't know why it's going still up there. Might gonna take me out here. Stop loss, maybe price is coming usually to first fair value gap. Yeah, my stop is a little bit tight, but maybe I can put it here, but that's a little bit wide stop loss for me. I don't like that up there, but who cares, right? So let's check ES for a second. ES can pop higher again to make a new high. I don't like this. But if ES pops higher, then this is going to pop too. My stop loss is too tight here. That's the problem. Oh, yours 5 points. So then you're out, I guess, right? You were out somewhere here. Depends on what size you're trading with, right? Dum, 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 dum. Let's wait. One leg down, then we rip up. Yeah, I'm afraid so. And also ES, look at this. It's just gonna, one pop, boom, and there you go. And Q also going with it. Now, if this is that so-called SMT, then this can turn around, of course. We just have to wait. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. Feels bad, man. And ES is not even popping higher yet. How strange. It's taking the next fair value gap too. And that's it for this trade. Pretty much ranging. Don't trade them. I'm not going to trade it. I mean, this gap, this is actually, yeah, there you go. I'm got taken out. So this trade was actually pretty much a little bit crazy here. Bull trap. Could be. I wanted to see this drop. But yeah, ES is making new highs. Yeah. It's gonna go higher. So this is the gap that I was talking about. If it closes above this gap, then this will become rebalanced, right? And after it becomes rebalanced, we should see what it wants to do. But now I think it will pop higher, at least 10 points, rebalance that gap. There is some liquidity at 60, and then boom, pops higher, and we'll see what happens there. Oh, look at that. Now it's going back down. Very crazy range. I mean, for example, this was the original trade I took earlier, this one. I closed it early. This trade would be still on. With a 1 to 2 risk to reward. My original TP was 16. Crypto Panda, good morning. I see you there. I see you on Methodical Man stream. I'm watching Methodical Man stream, by the way. I see you guys are there. Hey, Methodical Man, what's up? Any good trades? Need profit. Yeah, I know. Give me some good trades. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Nice. Congratulations there. I've been swinging one chart to GameStop. All right. Could still go down. Yeah, it could still go down. So originally this trade would be still on. If I would stick to my original trade, this would be still on. All right, let's see. So this, again, this would have been my original trade. Right here. It's still like, it feels like it might drop, but what is ES doing? ES, look at that. ES has to pop once more to those highs up there. And then it might start to drop finally. Yeah, so how simple is this? It's all psychology. I can't speak. Psychology. If I would just, you know, kept my trade, I know it's like more than 1 hour, but who cares? I should have just sit on my hand and wait for it to pan out, and that's all I would have had to do. That's all. That's all. Bum, bum, bum. That's all I should have done. Just wait. Nothing more. Just should have waited. That was all my job to do. You're at break even. Nice. Nice, nice. Just out of curiosity, I want to see that this setup, this original analysis is going to stick, or is it a bad idea? Should have been, or was it a bad idea to go? Yeah, sure, no problem. So what is it a bad idea to go like this? But I want to see how this trade would have played out. Out of curiosity. Bum, bum, bum. Looks good for now. I'm wondering if ES pops higher, what is NQ going to do? What is it going to do? Hold on. Sorry guys, sorry, just the usual phone calls. So I'm looking for the lows. Actually the TP is down there. Stop loss. Where's my stop? Entry 59.69. 59. So this is the trade right now. This is the trade right now. What did you guys wrote here? Yeah, no problem. I'm thinking that we should go down. That's my thought process on this. If it takes me out, it takes me out, I guess. So that is all for now. So I'm just waiting for this to dip lower, actually. Yeah. I'm gonna delete this. So, yeah. Oh. All right. I want to see this go down to the mid levels, but I'm perfectly fine above 600 if it goes down there into the congestion area. 601. Maybe what I should do is just like sell like, you know what? I'm going to sell. Actually, I'm not going to sell. I was thinking to sell 3 contracts, but now that it started to reverse, the only thing I can do is put it to break even. Actually, I'm going to put it to 59. $59. So yeah. You're waiting for the bears to give up. Yeah. Kind of the same situation. I mean, they can give up definitely. Nvidia is being bought up at dip. Oh, really? Something I want to read something about Nvidia. I mean, as far as I understand, there's something new. So there was some major announcement at Nvidia. I don't know what was it. Not sure. I don't know what was the announcement at Nvidia. There was something there, right? Not sure what. Yeah, almost out of steam. So I'm wondering, should I only take some off at 601 and try to go for 85 at the end? Who knows? I'm gonna go the overall TP at 601. Every time we go down, Nvidia being bought up and NQ goes up again. Laughter. I think they spoke about their heavy involvement. Oh, with AI. Okay, so that was the thing. Everything is about AI, guys. I'm a little bit. So, don't you guys afraid a little bit of this whole AI stuff? I mean, it's a little bit. I mean, sometimes I think about like We're gonna be like Terminator in the movie Terminator. Like the machines are going to rise against humanity, and some crazy stuff is going to happen. I don't know. I'm a little bit afraid of the whole AI thing, really. The Cylons, there you go. What is the crime? Exactly. Exactly. The Cylons. That's what's gonna happen. Really? I mean, listen. In in my town, there is a Mercedes factory. They are making the new electric Mercedes as well, and they are already testing out almost the same robots like Tesla has. They're packing stuff. They're just walking around in the factory. Like, this is really going to be like Terminator, really, after a while. Imagine, if you guys were watching like the new Mission Impossible movie, same thing. The AI is going to take over all this shit, and they just going to destroy humanity. I can imagine that. It's absolutely a possibility, I think. There you go. NYPD has robot dogs. It's gonna be absolute. Guys, we cannot imagine what is gonna happen in about, like, not 50 years. Just give it like 20 years or 15 years. In 15 years, the whole world is going to be totally upside down, absolutely different. Get your implant from Elon. And it's not even a joke, man. It's actually not even a joke. Longs are good, shorts are scary above 200. Yeah, Fendi. I don't know. Last line of defense is this fair value gap. If it takes me out again, I'm just gonna... You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna move my stop back up again. That's always the thing that happens with me. I mean, I move my stop. Let's see what ES is doing. ES failed to make a new high. Man. I don't know. Can't stand Elon arrogance. Yeah, he's definitely an arrogant guy. Like he said that F Disney, You guys must have seen that. Like he said on that speech, like, for the CEO of Disney, F, them. Go F themselves. That's it. We don't need advertisement money. Go F themselves. We have money. I think we can kiss today goodbye. Yeah, I mean, what's the time right now? Past 11 a.m. Absolute dog shit. Sorry, excuse my French. Absolute dog shit price action, guys. This is so bad. This is very bad. Don't give up. I'm not giving up. I mean, why should I give up? It's just very, very, very interesting. A little bit annoying price action where, this is a downtrend channel thing that I see here, but I just don't know, I don't know. This is typically the thing that can just pop higher, like boom, and make a new high. Long setup on the way, yeah. You look at this is your long entry right here at 640. Small market shift. If you want to risk it, you can enter long. If I zoom it out, it seems more action, right? If I zoom it out like this, it's like, Order block, yeah. This is an order block here. So this order block, I mean, it reacted to it, but who knows how strong was this order block? Is it going to be enough to push it lower to the midnight area or not? By the way, guys, grab your discounts. You know the commercial. And please help out the stream by pushing the like button. I would appreciate that so much. It's free to do. And it always helps out the stream. More viewers, more exposure to the channel. Look at this. Almost. Look at that. Uh-oh. Bum, bum, bum. Let's look at it. How's it going? Uh-oh. Nothing good so far. It's turning back up there. What is ES doing? Yeah, it stopped as well. Sounds like I'm gonna delete this. I mean, no stopping the bulls. You have been liked. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, this order block won't hold as price is going to attack once more. It's going to go through all the way up to 64. So I think it's a good thing that I put it to break even. At least there's not going to be any issue with this one. Well, looked good for a little bit. Husk Trader, good morning. Good morning. How you doing? Well, this trade is definitely interesting. I like you too. Thank you. Thank you, Joey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I think we're gonna go through this order block. How's it going, Husk Trader? Everybody go check out Husk Trader's stream. Let's see what's going on. Oh man. Well, this is gonna be ugly. Nothing else to do. Just spamming down. All right. All right. Such a shame. I was really hoping that finally we can drop down to the 600. So, you know, if this is not dropping, then I mean, actually, unfortunately, look at this. I'm pretty sure that it's gonna pop higher. Yeah. Go for some new highs. Not good. Well, I was at break even, so I'm okay. Yeah. Should be taken out here with break even. Such a shame. And it takes me out at break even and goes down to the target. Usually that's what happens. Yeah, the longs are developing real good. One more push and there's no stopping it again until the 700s. NQ is all time at VWAP. Everybody is obsessed with this VWAP. Maybe I should trade with VWAP as well. I don't know. You should mandatory. Oh, put me out from my misery. Come on, Nasdaq. Just put me out from my misery. Please. Please put me out from my misery, Nasdaq. Please, please, please. Do this for me, Nasdaq. Please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, Nasdaq. Please. Please put me out of my misery. Come on. Just pop this level. There you go. Come on, come on, Nasdaq. Come on, please, please, please. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Finally. I'm relieved now. I really am. Okay, I'm relieved. Okay, so this means this price action is a hot, steaming pile of bull. You know what? I'm still in profit, so just saying. Just saying. No, I didn't. I was stopped at break even. I was stopped out at break even. All right, guys, that's it for me. This is absolute horrendous price action. London is gonna be much better. So thank you so much for joining. Please like the stream and use my discount. It helps out the channel, the stream. There's some codes you can use. Very good discount, very good sales. Click on the My Funded Futures link. It will give you a 30% discount if you use my code. Apex 80%, TOPSTEP 20%. Additionally, from the current price, look at this, takes me out and goes down again. Yeah. BULENOX only gives you the discount for your first month. Keep that in mind. All right, and only for option 1 accounts. Okay, guys, thank you so much for being here. I'm through with this price action. I'm through. This was a good day. I ended up in profit. I'm not going to risk more. Thank you so much. This was awesome. And see you guys in the London session. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Cheers.